Back to the track we head now for the women's 100 metres T52 final.
On your box.
So it's Kiyama of Japan in 3, VERVOORT of Belgium in 4, Morgan of the USA in 5, and Grimes of Great Britain, who goes in 6. But getting away ever so quickly there, it's VERVOORT who goes in lane 4. She's very, very fast out of the blocks. Coming up next to her is Kerry Morgan, silver medalist to her over 200 metres, and it appears it's going to be that way yet again for those pairing as she goes across the line. VERVOORT in a timing of 20.40 seconds for Marieke VERVOORT. So she takes the gold medal in the T52 class, and Kerry Morgan, who goes across in 2nd place for a silver all the way down there. There's your winner, Marieke VERVOORT, in 20.40 seconds, the winner of the women's 100 metres T52 sections. 3 athletes there in the T52 class. Kylie GRIMES, who went from lane 6 in the T51 class.
Yeah, Kylie GRIMES on the outside lane there, competing in the 51 class. So is the 52 class being the more mild of the disabilities between the 51 and 52 classes. 51 class obviously being more affected, and hence the reason coming in quite some distance behind the winner there.
Well, VERVOORT has been rounded up to 20.39 seconds. The championship record has stood since 2011 from Michelle Stilwell of Canada. So that remains, as does the world record. But VERVOORT 20.39 in 2nd place, and silver medalist Kerry Morgan 20.97 in 3rd. Kiyama of Japan and Kylie GRIMES coming through in 4th place in a time of 35.87 seconds.